Namaste and a hearty welcome to Soft Talk. In this episode of the program, also, I'll be talking about a classic case of miscarriage of justice. So, let me start. 40 years behind bars on a fabricated murder charge. No trial, no recourse for justice. Burden of proof solely on an alien who is medically unfit to stand trial. You may be thinking, this must be a story from one of those Leo Tolstoy books. This is a fiction, not a fact, for such a miscarriage of justice cannot take place in a modern democratic world. Or this is a story from one of those pariah states. Wrong, absolutely wrong. This miscarriage of justice took place in a country that takes pride in its democratic traditions. Yes, it took place in a country that presents itself in regional and international fora as quote unquote the world's largest democracy. Thanks to the efforts of prisoner of conscience Radhe Shyam Das, West Bengal Radio Club, Nepal Radio Club, and kin of the victim, Durga Prasad Timsina, also known as Dipak Jaisi, is now free on medical parole, and he is now with his mother and with his kin. Even after spending 40 long years behind bars, the Calcutta High Court has stated that the trial against Dipak Jaisi shall resume once his mental condition improves. Till then, kin should keep updating their lordships at the High Court about the condition of Durga Prasad Timsina, also known as Dipak Jaisi, on a regular basis. That is what the court has ordered. In its judgment, the High Court has indicated that Durga Prasad, also known as Dipak Jaisi, should get compensation from the state, from the Indian state, from the West Bengal state, if the court is approached for compensation. While languishing behind bars, the accused, the victim, seemed to have no identity at all. After walking free, with strings attached, of course, with shackles attached, of course, he now has an identity. He has obtained, Durga Prasad, also known as Dipak Jaisi, has obtained his Nepali citizenship. Now his family can approach the Indian state and the Indian judiciary for some sort of compensation. Of course, of course, there can be no true compensation for the injustices that Durga Prasad has suffered, that Dipak Jaisi has suffered at the hands of the Indian judiciary, the Indian state. If his family is unable to take initiatives for claiming compensation, the Nepali state, particularly the government, should approach the Indian state for compensation in this case of miscarriage of justice. But the Nepali state seems least bothered to take up Dipak Jaisi's case. Nepal's political parties, who never get tired of speaking about mundane things, have not bothered to utter a word in this classic, in this case of miscarriage of justice. What baffles me is the silence of prestigious, self styled national, international human rights organizations, members of the national, international human rights fraternity like the Amnesty International and the Human Rights Watch. The champions of quote unquote human rights and democracy, like the European Union and the United Nations, also seem to have lost their voice in this case. Is it because they are too afraid, too hesitant to speak for justice because the guilty party in this case is none other than quote unquote the world's largest democracy and not Durga Prasad Timsina? The question is, who will put the world's largest democracy in the dock for this miscarriage of justice? And who will deliver justice in this case? With this open question, I wrap up this edition of Soft Talk. Please comment on my presentation, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.